So I've just, as Amir Khusro Dehlvi says, Mantho Shudam, to Manshudi, Manthan Shudam, to Janshudi, in Persian. I have become you, you have become me, I have become the body of which you have become the soul. Mantho Shudam, to Manshudi, Manthan Shudam, to Janshudi, Takas Naguyat Badazi, Mandigaram, to Digari. I have become so much. You have become me, and I have become you, and I have become your body, and you have become my soul. And we have become so much submerged and inseparable that nobody can see you are someone else and I'm someone else. Takas naguyat badazi man digaram tu digari. Or Bhitai also said the same thing because the Hallaji kind of love, it is sprayed like wild winds. It spread like contagious fires. And Bhitai said, Mulk midoi Mansoor, kuhi kohande ketra. So I just would explain through poetry that how the poets from this region also explained this kind of love. Khwaja Ghulam Farid says, Mera ishq vi tu, mera yaar vi tu, mera Kaaba, Qibla, Masjid, Mambar, Musaf, te Quran vi tu, mere farz farize, Hajj zakata, Som, Salat, Azan vi tu, mera zikr vi tu, mera fikr vi tu, mera zauq vi tu, mera wajdan vi tu. You're my passion, you're my zeal, my friend, my faith, my creed. You're my holy Kaaba, you're my mosque, my pulpit, you're my holy books, my Quran, you're my religious obligations, my Hajj, my charity, my fasting, my call to prayer, you're my knowledge, you're my gnosis, you're my remembrance, my contemplation, you are my testing, and you're my ecstasy. In Hussein's own words, actually, I've got Hussein's poetry in Arabic with translation in Urdu. So, I would like to just recite a few of the lines in Urdu instead. E mere ayn wujud ke ayn, e meri mansha ki ghayat. E mere ayn wujud ke ayn, e meri mansha ki ghayat, e meri goyai, e meri ibarat o isharat. तू कि जिससे मेरी रूह वाबस्ता हो गई और फिर तल्फ हो गई और फिर तू मेरी ख्वाहिश का रहीन बन गया. Oh, you ultimate of my ultimate being, my existence, my focus of my wish, my power of speech, my writing, my gestures, you the essence of my original being, my hearing, my seeing, composition of my entire being. Just two lines from Arabic of Hussein. He says, لِأَنَّ رُوحِي قَدِيمٌ فِيهِ قَدْ عَطِشَتْ فِيهِ قَدْ عَطِشَتْ وَالْجِسْمُ مَمَاسُهُ مِنْ قَبْلُ تَرْقِيب. He says, because the soul was eternally thirsty, since the soul was eternally thirsty since beginning, even before his composition, it was drenched in that intoxication. One from Persian poetry, he says, Guftam ke to kiroi, Guftam ke kiroi to bidhi zibai, Gufta khudra ke khud manam yektai. He asked from him, just tell me how much you managed to be that much beautiful. What does it mean by this much beauty? And he says, he said, yes, I am beautiful because I am the oneness, I am the unity. Ham ashiqam, ham ishqam, wa ham mashukh, ham aine, ham jamal, wa ham binai. I am the lover, I am the beloved. I am the mirror, I am the holder of beauty, and I am the beholder. Second stage of passionate love is that the Sufi lovers or Halaji lovers, they don't like clerics in between the love of God and man. They really denounce it. Halaj says, ए मोहब्बत को इल्ज़ाम देने वाले, तू अक्सर इल्ज़ाम देता है. ए मोहब्बत को इल्ज़ाम देने वाले, तू अक्सर इल्ज़ाम देता है. अगर तुझे सख्ती का इरफान होता तो तू इल्ज़ाम ना देता. लोगों के लिए काबे का हज है, मेरे लिए उसके साकिन का हज. वो गोश्त की कुर्बानी देते हैं, मैं खून दिल का हदिया पेश करता हूं. लोग जख्मों के बगैर उस घर का तवाफ करते हैं, बाखुदा वो तवाफ करते हैं लेकिन हरम का नहीं. Or you the one who always blames, who always calls in question the trueness, the truthfulness of this love. If you had a slightest of awareness, you would not have called in question integrity of this love. For common people, there's pilgrimage of Kaaba, but for me, this is the pilgrimage of being. They sacrifice meat and I present blood of my heart. They say they pay homage by doing tawaf or by walking around the sacred place. By God, they walk around, but not that haram. And the similar thought we get from Hussein bin Mansour Halaj. In Arabic, I would mention, he says, it's very beautiful. One line is a huge poem, but I'm just mentioning one line. He says, Uriduka, I desire you. I desire you. He talks to God, actually, no less than that. He talks to God. He says, Uriduka, I desire you, la uriduka lis-sawab. But I don't want you, I don't desire you for sawab, or for blessing, or for alms or charities. So there is a kind of, standard that if I'm praying that I don't want any return. The similar thing Iqbal says in Urdu. He says, Sajde ke evaz jannat mile manzoor nahi Iqbal. Sajde ke evaz jannat mile manzoor nahi Iqbal. Belos ibadat karta hu, banda hu tera mazdoor nahi. And he says that Iqbal ka nahi hai. So this, it says Iqbal. Sajde ke evaz jannat mile manzoor nahi Iqbal. Belos ibadat karta hu, banda hu tera mazdoor nahi. That he says, I do not wish for heaven in return of my submission to you. I submit altruistically because I am your creature. I am not your laborer or your worker. Sachal. Sachal says, na me kita khadka tasbida, ate na me zuhd ibadat. Na me kita khadka tasbida, ate na me zuhd ibadat. Na me zer zabarda kita, na me taqwa taat. Sachal datha bakht sawaya, jo me kiti ishq amanat. या बुलेशा सेज रब रब कर दे बुढ़े हो गए मुल्ला पंडित सारे रब दा खोज खरा ना लभा सजदे कर कर हारे रब ते तेरे अंदर वसदा विच कुरान इशारे बुलेशा रबों नू मिलसी